Aiming to consume 100 grams of protein every day is a practical goal for every woman. Improved fatty acid metabolism, insulin sensitivity, and weight loss are some of its benefits. Moreover, distributing a protein intake evenly throughout the day ensures a steady supply of amino acid for the body. While individual dietary needs may vary, prioritizing whole food for the intake of proteins is ideal, but they do lack sufficient amount of essential amino acids. Animal protein, on the other hand, provide a complete amino acid profile. Moreover, the body utilizes the animal protein efficiently. Protein consumption may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease as well as heart attacks among women. According to a study of 14 years, it was seen that women who consumed adequate amount of protein were 25% less likely to get a heart attack than those who did not consume protein regularly. Women have bone loss as they age. Protein helps them maintain proper bone strength and density. It accounts for 50% of the bone volume and 33% of bone mass. Eating enough high-quality protein helps in maintaining the muscle growth and function. This is important for general bone health. The recommendation dietary allowance for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of your body weight per day. However, this conservative value represents the minimum amount of protein that you should be intaking. Experts emphasize that an average moderately active adult woman requires more than that. It can range from 1.2 to 2 grams per kg of your body weight. Although factors like body size, compositions, and certain life phases also influence the range. Several periods of a woman's life necessitates to the adjustment of protein intake according to what the body needs. Certain resources suggest that protein needs fluctuate across menstrual cycle. During the luteal phase, extreme protein turnover is observed. Protein needs increase during pregnancy. This is to support the growth of tissues and muscles. Additionally, breastfeeding women require extra protein to compensate for the loss of protein in breast milk. As women age, their muscles become less responsive to the amino acids. This results in increasing the demands for protein. Premenopause, which mostly starts around the age of 35, may alter the hormonal levels and body composition. Hence, the protein requirements increases. After intense exercising, including resistance training, higher intake of protein is necessary. This facilitates muscle recovery. Pre-exercising protein consumption has shown promising results. It enhances fat loss and training volume in women. Staying mindful of protein needs is crucial for individuals of all gender. However, women may face greater challenge in meeting their protein requirements. There are various reasons behind protein deficiency amongst women. Protein consists of essential amino acids. From muscle tissues to cell, it plays a vital role in building various components of female body. Protein undergoes continuous turnovers in the body, and it is important to replenish it through dietary source or supplements. Insufficient protein intake can lead to muscle tissue loss. This increases the risk of cognitive decline and insulin resistance. It's also undesirable because of its elevated inflammatory markers. To ensure optimal health, meeting protein requirements is essential for women.